Hello, everyone, and welcome to Grad School 101. My name is Edusei, and I am a second-year MSW student graduating this May of 2023 from the illustrious Norfolk State University. I am also a behavioral health ambassador for the HBCU CARES initiative housed on the campus of Clark Atlanta University. Today, I will be presenting you with some helpful tips and strategies to consider when navigating through grad school. I would like to begin with the daunting fact that grad school will take up a lot of your time. Whether you decide to pursue your degree full-time or part-time, grad school will put your scheduling and balancing skills to the test. Yes, you may have fewer classes each semester, but the course load will be significantly more demanding. From reading the assigned chapters, yes, you do really have to read this time, to writing research proposals and doing case analysis, all while trying to juggle your field practicum in between. It may feel a little overwhelming, but please believe me, none of this is said to discourage you. It can be done, and I am proof. But it may come as a shock to you if you're not fully prepared for the responsibility that you will be taking on. Take full advantage of organizational tools such as Google Calendar and having a physical planner so that you're able to visually map out your task and allocate time to the most pertinent task at that moment. Now, whether you're navigating childcare, making time for your significant other, or other personal considerations, developing a healthy support system is critical in managing your responsibilities and stress levels during this time in school. Prior to me entering the program, during the admissions process, my director actually asked me if I have a strong support system here in Virginia, being that I am not originally from the area. She stressed that having people in my circle that were going to uplift me and push me through this program would be what would ultimately get me to the end. And that has stuck with me all the way up until today, a month away from graduation. So reach out to those people that you trust early on and see just how they're able to help you balance the demands of grad school along with your other commitments. In addition to your outside support system, it is just as important to build strong relationships within grad school. In doing so, try to be an active participant who adds values to your meetings, classroom discussions, and any other engagement opportunities you may have. By showing your commitment to learning and fulfilling your own personal growth, others will be able to notice, and you will likely attract the attention of other like-minded students looking for those opportunities to better their educational experience and outcome. Next, try to stand out. Of course, that is in regard to your own personal comfort level. You are expected, of course, to perform at your best ability and complete your coursework to the best of your abilities. But doing that is only the bare minimum. Ideally, you're expected to go above and beyond those expectations. That is what is expected of an excellent graduate student. It shows your counterparts your commitment and your drive for your education. In doing so, you will prove yourself as being more than just the average graduate student and give others, your professors in particular, the sense that you are focused on your grades, but more so on the experience of learning itself. In grad school, it is less about acing the test and more so about truly retaining that information. Remember that this program is training you to become a professional, to understand people and to work with others, which is just as important as any academic knowledge or assessment skills that you acquire. Lastly, while your grades and performance are important, keep in mind that grad school is also an opportunity to network like you never have before. These relationships and partnerships that you will encounter at this pivotal point in your career may have lasting, lifelong benefits. As semesters pass, don't be afraid to drop a friendly note to those professors or internship supervisors from your early start in your program, and keep those nurturing and excellent connections even after you graduate. Emailing through the holidays or sharing milestones and small wins with them after you've parted ways is a great reason to bring up another conversation about your future. It's a great way to spark their interest and remind them of the skills and assets that you had while you were working together. Remember to add these people to your LinkedIn, and that can be another helpful tool in keeping you connected with your peers, your professors, and your colleagues. those are my graduate tips for navigating through grad school, and I hope that they are able to be helpful to you.